Welcome to another video on my BeagleBoard embedded system. Small computer which runs Ubuntu Linux and which is connected to right there HDMI video cable towards this monitor. Also from here a serial RS-232 cable, 9 pins, to make it possible to make a serial connection via the Minicom terminal. Minicom because I use Linux on both the BeagleBoard and laptop to which it is connected, and of course a power connector right here, and USB to this USB hub to which are connected network cable, network to Ethernet, this one, and USB cable towards this fischertechnik lower interface, which is programmed in Python. And via the BeagleBoard I'm controlling this fischertechnik roller track with two parts, three parts actually, top down, and then from this part you can either go that way or go that way. Last time I tried to get all the balls running. You see here most balls. Chain to release, to transport them here, and chain here, long one, to transport them up. And the problem, as said, is right here, or maybe also here. Anyway, it doesn't always work that the balls are rolling down. So last time I made an effort to take the last motor that can be attached, not because this is the last motor, but because there are only 4 motor connections on the interface, and there's one motor here, one motor right here, and 2 motors, one here and one down there, which makes 3, and this makes 4. And the idea is to mount it somewhere here so I can transport the balls. Unfortunately I don't have enough well, let's say parts of the chain to make it longer, but we'll try it anyway. So let's see how this works out. Right, then to connect the motor you need wire. Already connected was this wire, which is way too short to connect them from here right up to the motor. So I disconnected this wire and prepared this one, which is much longer. I still have to attach these connectors to it, then to the motor, and then of course how do I connect or locate the motor? Well, needless to say, this is a bit short, but I'm happy that the gears inside the chain, and I think I should add some more light. Right, so I'm glad that the gears inside the chain just fit. There's not much room. So let's see how this works out. If it works out, because that is still the big question. Anyway, mount the connectors and then see for some way to connect it. Probably not here, but from here somewhere. We'll see. Right, with the new motor cable attached right there, and then following through the whole stuff, I do end up here, and the idea is to use this one to mount the motor. So let me first put this one on. A little bit of struggle. Yeah. It's a bit tight. Okay. And now this part. And then the weight makes it indeed go not the way I like. So I need something more stiff. The question how to achieve that? Well, probably with different stuff, because this is these are open L shapes, and I probably need something like this top, which is massive. I think that is what it comes down to. On the other hand, is it really? Let's do it again. I need it like this. If I take a ball, does this really work at all? Okay, time for the test. This is motor 4, so I have to open the interface, then motor 4, and to my surprise motor 4 is not. Oh wait, I make a mistake, a wiring mistake. I didn't put the wire in the motor. It will be motor 4, but then I have to put it in motor 4. See. And then it turns out I have to make a difference with the speed and direction. And then it turns out that the idea works nicely. So look at this, the ball goes here and it gets transported nicely. But does it go on? So far it does not. Okay, so do I need a higher speed? Possibly. So let me speed it up. That's very high. 2, okay. So not really. Okay, speed 3. Is it speed 3? Yes. But it doesn't roll on. And that is what the idea is. So let me stop this. So the idea is nice, but does it have the desired effect? Not quite. It should be this long, and I don't have enough chain links to accomplish that. Ouch. On the other hand, I have to lift this up somehow. So how I'm going to accomplish everything, that's another question. Right, and with a new construction, I hope it is stable enough and high enough. So let's put the bullet high enough into the truck. It kind of works, but yes, it should be much longer like this. So let's do it again. Yeah, it should be at least twice as long. Or should the speed be twice as high? That's another question. So let me put the camera down. And then see whatever happens when I first put the speed like this. Really high speed now. No, it doesn't matter. Well, it does, kind of. Except that it keeps rolling back. So in one way it's a solution, but it's it should be until here. And then, because when it is up here, look what happens. No, then I should show you what happens. So if it gets to here, and there you go. So here, guided by the track, and there you go, I hope. So yeah, that is, I think, the way to go. But do I have enough stuff to go to? I think I should order some more chain links. The conveyor stuff I do have enough. Maybe another motor which I can link to this motor. That's no problem. So we'll see what happens then. Right, and with this I need to update the schematics. So I have motor 1, motor 2, motor 3 and then motor 4. So this goes. I'm copying this. Well, where do I copy it? Let's move this. Not quite sure how to move it, but oh, that's a nice way. Not that way, obviously. That's another one. Oh wait, I should do it differently. So this is this one. And and motor 4 right here, connecting it that's better. And this one can go here. With the change, of course, that this is motor 4. Yeah, let's keep control. Let's keep it in English, not Dutch now. And that's the way it is now. Will everything work out? We'll have to see. And with this result, I say thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please consider a donation to show you appreciate my videos via either PayPal or Wired. More information on my website, which you can find under the video. You can also become a patron, and depending on the pledge you make, may have your name mentioned on my website and with my videos. You can also watch the next segment. For now, have a nice day. Thanks for watching. To be continued. Bye bye.